What's up?
Don't take the extra, it's quite a fall.
I got dirt in my eye really bad though. Still like got it.
You got that full power.
You recording right now?
Yeah. Thanks. It's like a fly cam, is what it's called.
I don't have to worry about zooming in there.
Yeah, see, real fun. Like they're really stable.
Like that.
This is it's a it's a automatic manual option. We gonna go?
Well, we can probably take a little bit more yet. We can get it loaded here.
Hola. Ah, my eye.
Is that your phone?
No, Bob's. Say hi. Autumn, say hi. Hi, Angel.
Hi.
Hey, Charlie. Say hi to the camera.
No!
No. Something to grab onto.
Wait, where about?
Kevin. Hola.
Nick?
Nick. Hey, Nick.
She wants you to come on here.
Hey. Hola, Carlos. Not much.
I like a little bit of Coca-Cola.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Hey, Billy.
because we haven't done a lot of work in the past like now, so it's pretty awesome.
Now what we really could do is do this on the whole road, all the way down and all the way up. You know, just connect day after day, like the rest of our life.
Let me guess though, I get paid in satisfaction, right?
Hey Macy, why don't you take Nick's shovel and climb up there? No, instead of.
You want to scratch off here? I'm happy to as well. On the other hand, I have to document all the many uses of a rental truck. And this would be one of them.
I can't see the work through all the dust. That's a better angle. Oh, niños.